Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, I'm Josette. So today I'm doing something totally different. I am trying my very first wig, lace front wig to be exact. So let's just get into the video. Allove Hair sent me a 14-inch lace front wig and I'm just gonna read off the specs. So this is a straight hair short bob. I received the 14-inch, so it's a natural black color, 150% density, and then it says that's a medium brown color lace, pre-plucked, natural hairline, middle part. The type of lace is Swiss lace. I honestly don't know if any of this means anything to you guys, but because I'm so new to this, but let's just get into it. So this is what the wig came in. Says Allove hair, all you need is love and great hair. Once you open it up, it came with a pair of lashes, and this is what the packaging looks like. So this is it. When you open it up, it comes with a wig cap. This is the wig cap. It came with this little thing. I'm hoping that a black wig cap is fine. I really have no idea. They also came with a free t-shirt, which I was not expecting. So this is what the t-shirt looks like. This is the wig. So it came packaged like this, and it came inside of this plastic bag, and there is a hairnet covering the hair over. So this is what she looks like. This is the wig. It's a really pretty natural black color with it looks like highlights of kind of chestnut brown in there. This is what the lace front looks like. There's lots of lace there to work with, and this is what the hairline looks like. So I'm quickly just going to put this on so you can see what it looks like. So this is kind of what it looks like without anything being done to it. It is recommended to wash the wig beforehand. I'm not going to say that it has a bad smell. It's not a bad smell, but it's definitely not like a nice smell. It smells like it needs to be washed, which is what is recommended. I hope that this is what I'm supposed to do. But this is what it looks like. Tons of lace, like I said. It does look pretty natural already. This is the length of the hair. It's a cute length. So I'm just gonna go ahead and wash this wig as instructed, and then I'll come back when it's dry so that we can actually put it onto my head and glue it down. Okay, so I switched locations. I am now in the bathroom. I just washed the wig, shampoo, conditioner, detangled, and blow dried. So now it is time to try and put this on my head. I'm wearing my glasses because I cannot see without them. I really don't know what I'm doing. Put on the wig cap. I think that's good enough. Okay. That's the wig cap on. I don't know if it should be further back or not. Well, we'll just see how it looks, and then if I need to change it, I will change it. Also, this is what it looks like on the inside. It comes with 3 combs and the adjustable bands here at the back. The wig cap underneath is a bit too forward, so I'm going to take this off again and fix that. Okay, so now I'm going to fix the part. I need to look in the mirror for this. So this is the shedding that I got from when I was washing it, and I am noticing some more as I try to fix this part. I'm just trying to get this flatter. Okay, this is just a lot of lace in the way, so I'm just going to cut down the middle. So it's already in front of my ear, so I guess I don't have to cut my ear out, but I do need to cut this. Okay, so now I'm going to cut with my razor. Okay, I think I forgot a step. It's noisy out there. I'm going to put the glue down now because I don't know. I think it'll be easier now. So I have my got to be glue. And I'm going to put some, I'm just going to wipe away the makeup that's there. Okay, this is what I got so far. This part is being stubborn and it doesn't want to stay down. Okay, now I'm going to place the glue on the other half. I should just use my finger. Okay, just gonna pull it forward. Now I'm going to use scissors. Okay, I need to be off camera to try and get this lace a bit, you know, more accurate, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I needed to do that off camera because I needed to get really close in the mirror, but I've cut the lace as close as I can possibly get it, and it looks better now. I'm gonna put some powder on the part. So I'm using the LA Girl powder and toffee. Hopefully this does something. I feel like this is a good color for this. Okay, so I just started to pluck a little bit because I feel like it doesn't look natural here. So I haven't even glued this down and it feels pretty secure. I don't know if I should pluck more. Okay, so I don't want to pluck too much. Okay, so I'm gonna clean up this area, this mess that I made, and then I'm going to style this as best as I can. So I cut some little baby hairs. Maybe I should cut them shorter. And I'm just using water. Okay, I'm just gonna leave it like that for now. So I got a hot comb from Walmart. Okay, it's getting hot now. I'm not sure how hot it's supposed to be. Okay, now that that looks flatter, I'm gonna go in with the straightener. I've never straightened hair, so I don't know. I think this is good. I'm gonna take this piece and straighten. Ooh, this is really hot. I don't know if this is too hot. I'm gonna turn it down. Okay, something's happening. This feels so awkward straightening hair. Okay, but you can kind of see the difference already. Hopefully this side looks better. So I'm trying to like bump it at the end. Oh, okay, I see something happening. Something is happening. What I will say about this hair is that it's really soft. It's really shiny. It looks really healthy. Okay, so I think this is what I'm gonna do with this hair. I'm gonna be doing another video on me attempting to curl this hair. But for this, I think this is it for this video. So yeah, comment below how you think I did. Keep in mind, this is my first time doing a lace front wig, but I think it actually came out pretty well. Take these off. And I feel like I made it look pretty natural, but let me know down below how you think I did. Also, at first I glued it, but then I took the glue off because I feel like it really doesn't need glue to stay on. It feels really secure on my head. So this is a full wig. So that is it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed this, and definitely check the description box for all of the links for this hair and also just for the site to just kind of look around. The prices are actually really affordable. I was comparing it with other wig sites and it is on the more affordable side for sure. I think this one is on sale right now for $85. So it's perfect for back to school and all that stuff. So I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!